My name is Audrey Creighton. I'm a circuit court judge for Montgomery County. I'm running for election to retain my seat, and I would appreciate your vote. It's unusual to see Montgomery County judges campaigning for election. In fact, there hasn't been a contested judges election here in 10 years. Our challenger is the exact same lawyer who ran against the sitting judges 10 years ago and lost. The reason a contested judicial election in Montgomery County is so rare is that Maryland uses the sitting judge principle to select judges. The sitting judge principle is extremely rigorous and competitive. It's regarded as the best practice for judicial selection. Let me explain. This nonpartisan process is multi-layered, beginning with a lengthy written application, followed by interviews by many panels of lawyers and non-lawyers. These panels then submit their recommendations to the trial court's nominating commission. The commission conducts an independent investigation, interviews the applicants, then creates a short list of nominees determined to be the most highly and professionally qualified for consideration by the governor. The governor's office then conducts their own investigation. The governor personally interviews the nominees and ultimately appoints the judge. The sitting judge principle takes politics out of judicial selections and ensures that only the most highly and professionally qualified candidates ever make it to the level to be considered by the governor. I and all of my colleagues have gone through this extensive, transparent process. We were each selected as the most highly and professionally qualified to serve as judges before we were appointed. In stark contrast, our challenger, who will appear second on the ballot, has not submitted himself to this rigorous scrutiny. The law in Maryland permits this, but it is important for you to remember that the term of office as a circuit court judge is 15 years. The challenger has not been nominated, nor has he been investigated at all. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I was appointed by the governor to the district court in 2010, then elevated by the governor to the circuit court this past February. I'm the second Hispanic judge to be appointed in Montgomery County, and I'm bilingual. I graduated from Wooten High School. I attended the University of Maryland for undergraduate school and the University of Baltimore Law School. As an attorney, I began in private practice. I worked as an assistant attorney general for 2 years and argued cases on behalf of the state of Maryland before the courts of appeal. I also worked as a public defender in Montgomery County for 20 years, representing mostly Spanish-speaking clients. I tried about 100 jury trials of all types of cases, including many complex murder cases. I'm a past president of the Maryland Hispanic Bar Association. I currently teach law school at American University, where I've taught as an adjunct professor for 7 years. Serving the citizens of Montgomery County as a judge has been the highest honor and privilege of my life. I would be honored to have your vote. I'm running as a team with my colleagues, Judges Gary Bear, Nelson Roop, and Joanne Ryan. We have the training and experience as judges to continue to give you, the citizens of Montgomery County, the fair results that each of you deserve. For more information, please go to our website, www.crsjmd.com, and our Facebook page, CRSJMOCOMD. Please look for our volunteers at the polls and take a sample ballot from them. Thank you for voting for me, Judge Audrey Creighton, and my colleagues, Judges Gary Bear, Nelson Roop, and Joanne Ryan.